Currently, there are 8 teams in the IPL and had been captained by many international players. Today, we are looking at the list from 2008 to 2020 who all led the team. Yellow Army has chosen MHD as their captain from 2008 to 2020, and in between, Chinnathala Suresh Raina has also showed his captaincy. MHD has captained 197 matches and won 119 matches. Under the captaincy of MS Dhoni, he lost 76 matches and one match was tied. Suresh Raina has captained 6 matches and he won 2 matches as a captain and lost 3, and one match was tied under his captaincy. Formed as Delhi Daredevils in 2008 and sold 50% of stake to JSW Sports, the team was renamed as Delhi Capitals. Virender Sehwag was appointed as their captain in 2008 and he led the team for 52 matches and won 28 and lost 24 matches. Gautam Gambhir also led the Delhi from 2009 for 25 matches and won 12 and lost 13 matches, and he has a win percentage in Delhi of 48%. Dinesh Karthik also led Delhi for 6 matches. Under his captaincy, Delhi lost 4 and won 2 matches, and he has a win percentage of 33.33. In 2011, Hopes also led the team for 3 matches and they lost 2 and one match was no result. Sri Lankan top order batsman Mahela Jayawardene also led the Delhi for 18 matches. He has a win percentage of 36.11. Delhi won 6 matches under his captaincy and lost 11 and one matches was tied. Ross Taylor also led Delhi for 2 matches. One match was tied, one match was lost and one match was no result. David Warner also led Delhi in 2013 for 2 matches and lost both the matches. Kevin Peterson also led the Delhi for 11 matches and he lost 10, and Delhi won just one match under the captaincy of Peterson and he has the percentage of 9.09. JP Dumini also led the team for 16 matches and team won 6 matches and lost 9 and one match was no result, and he has a percentage of 40%. Indian left-handed fast bowler also led the team for 23 matches. Under Zahir Khan captaincy, they lost 13 matches and won 10 matches. Karun Nair also led Delhi for 3 matches and they won 2 and lost 1, and he has a percentage of 66.6. Shreyas Iyer also led the team for 41 matches and won 21 and lost 18 matches and 2 matches was tied, and he also led the Delhi in the first maiden IPL final and lost to Mumbai in 2020. One-time runner-up Punjab Kings has been led by 12 different players. Yuvraj Singh was appointed as their captain in the first edition and he led for 29 matches and lost 12 matches and won 17 matches. Kumar Sangakkara also led the team for 13 matches and they lost 9 and won 3 and one match was tied. Mahela Jayawardene led team for 1 match and they lost the 1 match. Gilchrist took the captaincy of Punjab in 2011 and he led the team for 34 matches and won 17 and lost 17. He has a percentage of 50. David Hesse captained Punjab for 12 matches and he has a win percentage of 50%. George Bailey took captaincy in 2014 and he forwarded the team for 35 matches and they lost 17 and won 18 matches, and he has a win percentage of 51.42. Virender Sehwag also captained 1 match and that match was tied in 2015. South African batsman took captaincy in 2016 for 6 matches and Kings XI Punjab lost 5 matches and won just 1 match. Murali Vijay was captained in 2016 for 8 matches and they lost 5 and won 3. Glenn Maxwell also led the team in 2017 for 14 matches and he has a win percentage of 50%. Both Ravichandran Ashwin and Rahul shares the win percentage of 42.85. Ashwin took a captaincy in 2018 and 2019 edition. In both the edition, he captained for 28 matches and lost 16 and won 12 matches. KL Rahul was named as captain after releasing Ashwin. Rahul captained 2020 edition. Under KL Rahul captaincy, Punjab won 5 and lost 7 and 2 matches was tied under his captaincy. Knight Riders have been captained by Sourav Ganguly in the first edition from 2008 to 2010. He played 27 matches as a captain and won 13 matches and lost 14 matches. None of the matches was tied or no result under the captaincy of Sourav Ganguly. New Zealand right-handed batsman captained KKR for 13 matches and he won 3 and lost 9 and one match was tied. Indian left-handed opening batsman Gautam Gambhir has also been captained for KKR. Under his captaincy, they left their maiden IPL IPL trophy. He has been captain for 122 matches and won 69 matches, and 51 matches was lost under his captaincy. One match was tied and one match was no result, and he has a percentage of 57.43. Jack Alice holds 50%. He led 2 matches and they won 1 match and lost 1 match. Dinesh Karthik also led the KKR for 37 matches. Under his captaincy, they won 19 matches and lost 17. One was tied and he has a percentage of 52.70. Ian Morgan was appointed as captain in the year 2020. He led for 7 matches. Under his captaincy, they won 2 matches and lost 4 matches. 1 match was tied. 5-time champions has a tremendous history in IPL. The franchisee has been captained by 7 people. Harbhajan Singh also led the team from 2008 to 2012. He was captain for 30 matches and 14 was won and 14 was lost under the captaincy of Harbhajan Singh, and 2 matches was no result. Sean Pollock also captained MI in their first edition. He led for 4 matches and 3 was won under his captaincy and they lost 1 match. Cricket god Sachin Tendulkar also led the Mumbai Indians for 55 matches. Under 55 matches, they won 32 matches and lost 23, and he has a win percentage of 58.18. Bravo also led the team for 1 match and they lost that match in 2010. Ricky Ponting also led Mumbai Indians in 2013 for 6 matches and they won 3 and lost 3, and Ricky Ponting has the win percentage of 50%. Rohit Sharma has captained Mumbai Indians for 121 matches and they won 72 and lost 45, and 4 matches was tied under his captaincy and he has a win percentage of 61.15. Kieron Pollard also led the Mumbai Indians for 8 matches and he lost 3 matches and won 5 matches, and he has a win percentage of 62.50. First edition winner of IPL has been captained by 3 Indians and 3 Australians. Shane Warne, who took the team for the maiden trophy in the first edition, has been captain for 56 matches. Under Shane Warne captaincy, they won 31 matches and lost 24, and 1 match was tied under the Shane Warne captaincy. Shane Watson has been captain 21 matches and Rajasthan has lost 11 matches and 2 matches was tied and 7 matches was won under Shane Watson captaincy. Rahul Dravid also led the team for 40 matches and won 23 and lost 17, and he has a win percentage of 57.50. Steve Smith led the team for 27 matches and won 15 matches and lost 11 matches, and 1 match was no result. Ajinkya Rahane also led the team for 24 matches and they won 9 and lost 15 matches, but both Steve Smith and Rahane are playing for Delhi Capitals in the upcoming edition of IPL. From the first edition, RCB has seen 6 captains, 3 from India, 1 from New Zealand and 1 from England and 1 from Australia. The Great Wall of Cricket had led RCB for 14 matches and won 4 matches and lost 10. England's stylish batsman Kevin Pietersen has led the team for 6 matches. Under his captaincy, RCB has won 2 matches and lost 4 matches. From 2009 to 2010, Anil Kumble has captained the team for 35 matches. Under his captaincy, RCB has won 19 matches and lost 16 matches. New Zealand's spinner Daniel Vettori has been captained RCB for 28 matches. Under Vettori's captaincy, RCB won 15 matches and lost 13 matches, and he has a win percentage of 53.57%. Current Indian cricket team captain and RCB captain has captained RCB for 125 matches. Under his captaincy, RCB won 55 matches and lost 63 matches, and 3 matches was tied under his captaincy and 4 matches was no result. Shane Watson has captained 3 matches in 2017. RCB has won the 1 match under his captaincy and lost 2 matches. 2016 champions Sunrisers Hyderabad has been given captaincy to 7 players from 2013 after the end of Deccan Chargers. When they made their IPL debut, Kumar Sangakkara led the team and he captained for 9 matches. SRH won 4 matches and lost 4 matches under his captaincy and 1 match was tied. Cameron White also captained SRH for 8 matches and won 5, lost 3, and he has a win percentage of 62.5%. For the year 2013 and 2014, Shikhar Dhawan was appointed as captain and he led 17 matches. Under Dhawan captaincy, SRH won 7 matches and lost 9 matches. Darin Sami has been captained SRH for 4 matches and he has a win percentage of 50% for his 2 win and 2 loss. Currently, David Warner is the captain of SRH and he has been captained SRH for 62 matches and they won 34 and lost 27. 0 matches was tied under his captaincy and 1 match was no result, and he has a win percentage of 55%. After the ban of David Warner due to ball tampering in 2018, Kane Williamson led the SRH for 2 seasons. He led 26 matches. He has a win percentage of 53.85. Indian right-handed pacer Bhuvneshwar Kumar also led the SRH for 6 matches. Under his captaincy, they won 2 matches and lost 4 matches.
स्टेडियम से कम नहीं, पर्दा कोई भी हो बदला कभी दम नहीं, हो जैसे भी हालात पर है वही जज्बात, वही खेल, वही जोश, तुम और हम वही